So yes guys, I forgot to start the vlog guys because I was playing music. Here's the box, I was playing music, so I forgot to start the vlog. So yes guys, we're at Fallings today. New River first, no second time here. Come on, River people. You see me? Just there, enjoy yourself and think people. See black boy yeah. You guys know say Russian left yard already. You see me? So Russian, that film yard. You see me I went there, enjoy yourself. No say Russian left yard already. Yes guys. So we're just enjoying ourselves. Yes people. We're just enjoying ourselves. Ah, good black boy people! Good black boy! Humbucklat! So yes people, I'm going to take a dive. So guys, I'm going to make this guy video for me and let me test the water how deep it is. First, video for me now. Don't lamp on the camera. Yes people, so it's your boy Jamel here. Sean is not here today, so I'm going to test the water. But I wake up today in here. I'm trying to see that first now come here. What? Water shallow shit. People, water is so shallow guys. Yeah. Water is so shallow. Yeah, feel that.
Brother, you can't wait up here for them in a call you know. That's good. That's good.
No, stop it. Yeah. No wife on them to pick up the car.
Those on Malik, go on. Those go on. Go on, brother.
So yes people, see it here, we're there. Tour of the place people. We're going on a tour. So black boy here. Guys, Russian afraid. Russian now come. Russian now come on no river. So guys, I'm going on a tour of the river. You can catch some in there, all them part of crayfish. See all fish there swim. Man, if people them can see them. Yeah, if people them. Where you the boy? Man, you can't catch fish either. So fish is in the water as well. Guys, you guys all know. See all one look mudfish there. Gone under the leaf. And there so in there. And look mudfish. Gone under the leaf. So yeah people, we just are going a little tour. You see me guys? I'm giving you a little tour. I place for a long time. We not drop no video. You see me people? Why? Russian not left in yard. Russia, alright, look at people. See Tix washer for show you say the man then catch crayfish. Then Tix wash the water and catch crayfish. Guys, so yeah. I eat. Go on a little tour right place. But I not go no further still because I never come up here so. Just a show you. I go back down here so. Every man I saw jogger too. Me can bet say they not stay up water down there so. They ain't fool, you know. Me see crocodile in there already, bro. Me see crocodile in there. A long time before you start fuck me attack. Before you turn brothers, me attack. Long time. Me, Jubari and Timai and the whole of we, bro. Me I tell you. You see one little crocodile in the water. Me all when catch one little turtle round here so too, bro. Me not tell you no lie. So people, stay tuned for see what go on.
Before me dead block, bumbo clad. Let's try with it. Yeah, blood it, blood it. The guy is yo, you don't want to mess up water with your fuck. I'm fucked. Because in a bleachers, you know. Those are not done it. Yeah, don't touch your fuck. Look there. Awa. Wait. Don't kiss it off. Why? You're meant to come here.
Right, jump up, good piece, Dave. Come Cool, we don't want to work on the good dive.
So yes people, this is my first vlog. Please like, share and subscribe. And remember,
What the fucking camera from now?
people, you want to subscribe? I go to subscribe. What do you like?
Yeah, boy, be a fucking in that pain in a big yard. Man, tell you honest truth. Take it on off. Be a fucking thing in that pain in a big yard.
So yeah guys, this is our going in Arriva. Yeah guys. On the phone.
Jump up, no idiot!
Please like the video and subscribe to the channel.